We already know how to use filters to define the minimum and maximum part sizes in our specification. However, there are cases when filtering by size range alone isn't enough. For example, even if we limit pipe sizes from 1 to 6 inches, the result may still include non-standard sizes like 3.5 or 5 inches that aren't allowed by the spec. To refine our selection further, we can use the Edit Parts tool, which lets us manage the content of our spec sheet beyond basic filters. To begin, open your spec file by going to Desktop, Exercise Files, 0205 Edit Parts, and open the example spec. Minimize the catalog window so you have more space to work with. Then, scroll to the piping section. You can either double-click the item or select Property Editor to view the available parts. At first glance, you'll see that some non-standard sizes like 1.25 inch, 3.5, and 5 inches are still present. These sizes might not be desirable due to cost or availability issues. To remove them from the spec, click on the Manage Sizes tab. This will reveal the entire range of parts in the catalog, sometimes up to 60 inches in size. Simply select the sizes you want to exclude and click Apply. This keeps the selection within the filtered range but fine-tunes it to match real-world standards or project requirements. Additionally, you can add missing information to parts that lack certain details. For example, if a catalog entry doesn't specify the material, you can manually enter CS for carbon steel. Select the appropriate cells and press Ctrl-V to paste the data, just like you would in Excel. This ensures the system correctly recognizes and applies the material when placing or running the model. We can also add custom properties to help organize or flag parts according to specific project needs. For instance, to mark parts used in a LinkedIn project, go to Manage Properties, then add a new field with the display name LinkedIn. Leave the default value blank and choose a field size, such as 5 characters, appropriate for the data you'll enter. Click Add, and the new property will be available to apply across the spec. Now return to the pipe components, and you're ready to continue refining your spec with this added layer of customization.